Hello Year 4. In today's video, we will be recapping our knowledge from Year 3 so that we are able to identify that the word equivalent means the same as, and that we will also know that a number line can be divided in equal parts to help us to find equivalent fractions. Complete the missing fractions on each number line. Can you see any fractions that are equivalent? At the start of our number line, we have a 0. At the end of our number line, we have 1. What fraction would be on the dotted line of the number line? If we look at the green bar, we can see that half of the bar is shown. So on our number line, we would write half. Can you have a look at the second number line for me now? Please, can you pause your video, grab a piece of paper, draw the number line and write the missing fractions on it. Pause your video now. Let's have a look at this together. We can see that the number line starts at 0 again and ends at 1. If we look at the bar, we can see that it is divided into 4 equal parts. So each jump on our number line represents 1 quarter. If we look closely, we can see that where our half is where 2 quarters would be. So that we can say that 2 quarters is equivalent to 1 half. That means it takes up the same amount of the bar. What I would like you to do now is have a go at completing the missing numbers on the number line using equivalent fractions. If you look at the number line at the top, you can see that it starts at 0 and we count up in 1/8 each time. So we go 0, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 1. Pause the video and have a go at writing the fraction that is equivalent to 2/8, that is equivalent to 4/8, that is equivalent to 6/8. You need to look at the number line and see how many parts it is divided into to help you. Pause your video now. Let's have a look. If we look at our second number line, we can see that it is divided into 4 equal parts. So we are thinking about quarters. So therefore we know that 2/8 would be equivalent to 1 quarter. 4/8 would be equivalent to 2 quarters. 6/8 would be equivalent to 3 quarters. The astronaut has drawn 2 number lines. He says that 2/3 is equivalent to 5/6. Is he correct? When answering this question, I want you to think about the sentence stems that we use to explain our understanding in school. Have a look at the number lines, see if the astronaut is correct, and write a sentence for your answer. Pause your video. Let's have a look at the answer together. No, he is not correct. The second number line is not split into equal parts, so it does not show 6. The fractions are not equivalent. Remember that when we are working with equivalent fractions, the fractions are equal. A final challenge for you to have a go at and bring your answers in to school to show your teacher. Which shape is being described by each clue? My denominator is 8 and my numerator is half the denominator. What shape is that? My numerator and denominator are the same. Then I want you to find the shape that is equivalent to 1/4 and the shape that is equivalent to 3/4. Please write your answers down and bring them into school next week to show your teachers. Bye.